In this lesson, we'll review a sentence completion problem. It's part of the critical reading section. We're on page 853, question 5 out of 6, so a moderate to difficult problem. Rodolfo Gonzalez was once described as blank in body and mind because of the flexibility and grace apparent in both his boxing and his writings of poetry and plays. So let's look for the key words and try to predict the answer. He was described as blank in body and mind because of the flexibility and grace apparent in his boxing pursuits. He's an athlete, and his writings. He was an author. Flexibility and grace. Let's take a look at the answer choices and we'll build some vocab. So unyielding, let's just say for predicting the answer, we can just use these words, some type of skill. We'll say skillful or agile as sort of the prediction, just to help keep that in mind. So unyielding is not the answer. Unyielding is an extreme word. It means to be inflexible or resolute, not being swayed or compromised, and that's not the choice. To unwavering. Tremulous is pretty much what it sounds like, to tremble, to be timid. Another good word for timid, not exactly the same word is as tremulous, but is diffident. And diffident means to be shy, not to be aggressive. Other good words, to quaver and quiver, which are pretty similar, sort of uncertain, a little bit of fear, not the choice. Emphatic. Be careful on this one. Emphatic has the root. It's to emphasize. It's emphasis. To make an emphatic point is to be forceful and to emphasize. Don't confuse emphatic with empathetic. Similar word, but totally different. This has the root in empathy, and empathy is like sympathy in that you feel pity for someone, but the difference is that with empathy, you've actually felt that person's pain. I feel your pain. I empathize with you. Not the answer. Now we're down to the last two. Fickle, he is not the choice, and fickle is really the opposite of unyielding. Remember, this is to be inflexible, to be resolute, but fickle is to be capricious or whimsical, to constantly change a position. To be mercurial is another good vocab word, and to be inconstant. All those words changing quickly or whimsical. The answer is lithe, and it means exactly flexible and graceful. It's a skill word. We also had, remember, the word adroit and adept. Not exactly the same, but pretty close. But lithe means exactly flexible and graceful. And that's the answer. All right. See you next time. Thanks for watching.